on the bottom side there's like a couple of cracks and stuff where some of the wood's exposed. So gotta sand it down, get it nice and clean, so that we can fiberglass over top of it. So that's what's on the agenda for right now. Okay, so this was really hard. Hopefully it'll finish out nicely. Alright, so I'm ready to go. All suited up, ready to start sanding. Okay, that wasn't a very good ending. So I wanted to quick go outside. It's night, but I'll bring some lights with me and I'll finish painting it so that it's a little bit better ending, right? High five. Okay, that was much better.